Hi and welcome to part 5th of this 5 lesson series called Stop Saying Very in English, where you are upgrading your English, adding 50 new smart words in place of very. And I'm sure that you're getting lots of benefits watching all the videos of this series. If you have missed our last 4 parts of this series, there's a link given in the descriptions, or you can click on this I button at the right top of this video. I'm sure that the previous all 4 parts can make you more confident. In part 1, 2, 3 and 4, we have covered 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. It means we have given you the 40 smart words in place of very. And I believe that you have already started them using in your conversation. So today I have another set of 10 advanced English words that you should start using them in the place of very. And thank you so much for watching all our videos and sharing your lovely comments. So let's get started. You are very mean, as you didn't even wish me on my birthday. I know that many of you have said this many times. So our today's first word is very mean. Next time, if someone doesn't wish you on your birthday, then you can say cruel word in the place of very mean. So the very mean word can be replaced with a new word called cruel. And we can say, you're cruel as you didn't even wish me on my birthday. Right? Let's move on to the second word, and that is very open. This is very open topic to have a debate, right? Now, the very open can be replaced with a new word called transparent. And we can say, this is transparent topic to have a debate. And of course, we have lots of debates in our schools and college time. Let's move on to the third word, and that is very long. This topic is going to be very long. Now, the very long word can be replaced with a new word called extensive. So we can say this topic is going to be extensive rather than saying very long. But don't worry, this video is not going to be extensive, right? It means very long, right? Let's move on to the next word, and that is very upset. The Ravana was very upset of his brother Kumbhakaran. And we all heard the story of Ramayana. And we all know that what Kumbhakarna has done to Ravan. And that's the reason the Ravana was very upset. Now, the very upset word can be replaced with a new word called distraught. And we can say, the Ravana was distraught of his brother Kumbhakarna. Right? Let's move on to the word number 5th, and that is very hurt. He was very hurt when he got to know about the truth. And of course, we all were very hurt sometime in our life because of many people. And now, the very hurt word can be replaced with a new word called battered. And we can say, he was battered when he got to know about the truth. So stop saying very hurt and start using battered. Let's move on to the word number 6th, and that is very perfect. The actor's performance was very perfect. Now, the very perfect word can be replaced with a new word called flawless. And we can say, the actor's performance was flawless rather than saying very perfect. Right? Let's move on to the word number 7, and that is very rainy. Today, the day was very rainy. And now the very rainy word can be replaced with a new word called pouring, and we can say the day was very pouring today. So rather than saying very rainy, we can say pouring, right? So is it pouring at your place? Share in comments. Let's move on to the ninth word, and that is very dirty. Today's politicians use very dirty languages, very dirty language. And of course, we all know that the politics has become so dirty today. Now, the very dirty word can be replaced with a new word called filthy. And we can say today's politicians use very filthy language, right? Let's move on to the ninth word, and that is very thirsty. And of course, let's learn them with examples. The runner was very thirsty after the running race. So let's replace the very thirsty word with the new word called parched. And we can say the runner was parched after the running race, right? Let's move on to the last word of this session, that is very powerful. The speech delivered was very powerful. Now, the very powerful word can be replaced with a new word called compelling. And we can say the speech delivered was compelling, right? So friends, before you click onto the next video, let's go for the quick revision. We have learned today the very mean got replaced with a word called cruel. Similarly, very open, transparent, very long, extensive, very upset, distraught, very hurt, battered, very perfect, flawless, very rainy, pouring, very dirty, filthy, very thirsty, parched, and very powerful, compelling. Hope this video has helped you a lot. If you like this video, then please share your comments in comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe and share. So keep talking in English, and do not forget to use all these 50 words in the place of very. So see you in the next video. Take care and have a nice time.